Hi guys, this is the Athletic Cuber, and today I have a video on which cube could be your main speed cube. So how I'm going to do this is I have 7 cubes over here that all have different turning styles that I think you guys may want to be your main. To start out, I have the Rubik's Brand Speed Cube. This cube is slow. Well, it's not slow. It's kind of in the middle. And it's also and it catches a lot. So that's slow. Well, it's medium speed and catchy. Next, I have the Gans 357. This cube is catchy, flexes a lot, and is fast. Next, I have the YJ Guanlong. This cube is the best budget speed cube that you can get. After setting it up, it's fast and kind of unstable, and that's why I don't use it as my main. Next is the Xeno Sports or the Diane Zanchi stickerless. This cube is fast, bumpy, and can be smooth if you put in the right lube. Now I have the Fancon Freshman. This cube is fast after putting a lot of work into it, but it's also kind of catchy. It doesn't flex as much as the Gans too, and that's the part that I like. Now I have the Dianma. It's a little bit slower than the Rubik's Brand, but it's super smooth. Now I have my main, the Fengshi Shrangren. This cube is super fast and it's sandy. And that's really all I have to say about that cube. So now I'll tell you what the cube's attributes are in line from which one you guys would probably like, from a beginner to being a intermediate person. So a good beginner's cube, like when you're first getting in speed cube, would probably be the Dianma, because it's slow, but it's just a good cube to begin with. Probably second, for like once you get into speed solving, not just solving the Rubik's Cube, would probably be the Rubik's Brand Speed Cube. And then you can also get into lubing, because this cube needs work too. Then third, in speed cubing, I would probably get the Guanlong, because it just is a good beginner's cube because it's $4 and less. Then I would probably get the Fancon Freshman, because it's a little bit faster. Then I would get the Diane Zanchi, the Xeno Sports. Then, after I did that, I would get the Gans 357, or any Gans for that matter. Then I would get the Fengshi Shrangren, which is standing fast. Dianma, slow but smooth. Fancon Freshman, fast and smooth and a little bit catchy. Diane Zanchi or Fancon Freshman. No, not Fancon Freshman. Well, Fancon and the Xeno Sports is fast and bumpy. Guanlong, unstable, fast, and yeah. The Gans 357, flexible and fast. And last but not least, the Rubik's brand is medium speed and is smooth and catchy. Hope you liked this video. If it helped you pick out a speed cube, then please subscribe and comment which cube you chose. And goodbye!